Hey guys, Andres here. We're going to work on today on how to replace a windshield wipers on your car. You should be able to get this job done in 2 minutes. This is one of the old windshield wipers, and as you can see, it has patches along all of the rubber. And the rubber on these wipers has dried and hardened like a rock. The only item we need for this job is a new pair of windshield wipers. Make sure that you find the right size for your vehicle. You can find this in any auto store, online, and also in your owner's manual. To get started, we're going to pull it back and make it perpendicular. This method right here has a clip. There are some windshield wipers that you don't have a clip at all and you just are able to push it down. So in this case, we're going to press on that clip and push down at the same time. Now we're going to do the same process that we just did, but backwards. You don't have to worry about holding the clip down. Once the wiper is hooked in its place, you should hear and feel a small click. The process is pretty much the same on this side. It's nice to make sure that we put in the same size that the car had originally. We are pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this useful, please leave a comment. Have a good one.